So today I'm reviewing this website and Deriv. So if you have ever used this website or you are looking for a good website to trade with it, then today I have two websites that you can choose the best and start trading. So here I have Deriv and here I have Exness, especially for African countries. These two websites work very well. I will give a full review so that you choose the one that you may like from my review. So the first thing is that when you go to Trustpilot, Exness has a high rating than Deriv. As you can see here, I have an extension already installed, as you can see. Now, if you compare the number of reviews, you can see that Deriv has a lot of reviews compared to the one from Exness. So that might be a reason. But what you might note from time to time is that these websites often pay people to make reviews, or they invite them through emails. So you may not need to trust them, but I have traded with the two companies. I know they are not scams. Most of the time people say that they fix prices. Maybe they do. What the only issue I have encountered with this website is that they delete accounts after some time, especially when you are not trading. I recently tried logging into my account. I was unable to log into it. I tried with no help. I tried contacting them through the email. They have not yet reached to me, so I still don't know the problem. So these guys may delete your account. That is one problem that you may encounter trading with them. Now, this is the home page of this website. It looks a bit older, but you can see this looks a little bit modern. Now we have, you can look here. We have forex stocks all here, and then we have trading platforms here. Now I'll try and log in so that we can see inside this website. So I already have an account, and with this one I have created a new one since they already deleted my old one. Now this is the first, your dashboard. This is your home dashboard, which you will, after you log in into your account, you will always land here. So here you have your real account and then your demo. But if you have created your account first, never make a deposit before verifying your account, since you will never be able to withdraw the money. I once made that mistake, and I had to verify the KIC, know your customer, and then verify proof of address, which was tiresome, before I was able to change my number. The issue was my phone number. I could not change it, and before withdrawing, you had to receive an OTP code, one-time PIN code, through your number. But don't try to deposit before verifying your account. You may run into issues which you should be able to avoid earlier. Now this is your dashboard. Here you have your demo, your real, and then your demo. So you can add one here. You just need to come here and add an account. And when you try to compare it with Deriv, now you can see you first have to choose your option, your trading option. let's say if it is MetaTrader, you see MetaTrader, you just need to scroll down, then choose it. But mostly I trade with this one. Now I just need to open and trade, and then we have a Deriv bot. So here I just need to open and trade. For those new people, here you just need to, if you are working with a different currency, then you open here and you add it. You see here, you just manage it. You can only use one currency. I see this one is deactivated right now. Now I have chosen this one, so I might be ready to trade. Then with Exness, here you just need to come here and then you start trading. Now I will use this demo so that I don't need to do. Now what you need to remember is that today is not weekend. Now most of the markets are closed. I just need to open this, and then I will be redirected to full trading website, web trading. Now according to Deriv, this is the one that you just need to trade. You see, you can choose your option here. We have multipliers, we have options. So here we have rise and fall, we have all that. Now the difference between Exness and Deriv is that Deriv charges your commission, especially when you are trading rise and fall. They will charge your commission. They should be able to indicate somewhere commission. Let me go to multipliers so that you can see. So here we have multipliers, and then we have a commission. So this is the commission. So if you stake this amount of money, then this is the commission they will cut from this amount. So your stake will be the amount, this amount subtracted to this one. Those who have done forex most of the time know this. You may pay for commission or you may pay for spread. Now spread means you can see here. So Exness works with spread. That is the difference between Exness and Deriv. You can see here we have a red. Let me expand this so you can see. So here we have a sell order, this one, the red, and then we have a buy order. So if you decided to buy, your price will be executed using this price here. If you decide to sell, this price, selling is predicting that the market will go up. Selling is predicting that the market will go down, but buying is predicting that the market will go up. So the market already is closed, as you can see, because we are on a weekend now. So this difference, you can see this difference often is big, so they may decide to discourage a market. Most of the people might see this problem when you are using MetaTrader 5. You may see that a certain market has a very large gap between these two prices, the spread. That is what we call spread. Let me say that you may see a market having a very large spread, and when you are using MetaTrader 5, it is indicated in form of a percentage. So if that difference is so large, you should not enter there, or they might be discouraging trading that commodity. And when we go to Deriv only charges commission. So with Exness, this might differ according to the commodities or exchanges or the forex options that you get. but with deriv, the commission is constant. That is a difference that you should note. And you should know that multipliers have a similar they look similar when you try to compare it to trading on Exness. Somehow they look similar. Now, sometimes they may decide to stop some markets. They just close some markets so that you cannot trade them. That is one of the big problems that you may face when trading on deriv. But Exness, provided that it is not on a weekend, then all commodities are always available for trading. The only problem you will face there is spread. That spread might kill your account because sometimes we have a very big spread on some commodities. And then now we have looked at that. Then when you try to look at depositing into your account, so here we have deposit and we have withdraw. It's so simple. You can choose your options there. And then with the deriv, you just need to click here and then you are there. You have a lot of options to do that, but you may need to verify your account before they allow you to deposit or withdraw money. Now, an issue, if you look at Exness, has social trading, but deriv does not have that. Deriv doesn't allow that. So here you may copy some trade as profitable one. You just need to click there and then you discover those who are making a lot of profit, then you just copy them. But you need to be very careful with them, of course, because it is not risk free. Now, so we have some investors here. You just need to look at them if you like that. But with deriv, you can't do that. That is not there. They have little features, as you can see. But when you come here, they have more features like deriv bot trading, smart trader, all those. But here they have analytics where you can get news wherever, global events, so that you can know what is happening. And then with this, you can create a lot of account here. And another thing is that you can control the leverage here. It is not like deriv that it is very easy to control your leverage. You just need to click here and then this is your leverage. You already controlled it before executing a trade, as you can see there. Now here you need to open, you just come to these three dots and then on that account, as you can see, this is my real account. If I needed to change the leverage, you see this is the demo account. Now I can open that demo and then I need to change the leverage, so I come to manage. Let me check account information. So you can see here, let me try and change it. Yeah, it is here. So you just come here and change your leverage. So after changing and continue, if you are trying to change your real account, you might be asked to enter your password. Now you have already changed. So any future trade that you can see, I have already got this notification telling me that I have changed our leverage. So any trade I execute, it will be executed. You see a new leverage. Now, when you come to how fast are these two websites, Deriv seems to be much faster compared to Exness. I don't know why, but according to my experience, that is what I have seen. Deriv is much faster, and Deriv has these synthetic fibers or synthetic markets which are computer generated. That means that they are always moving regardless of news, time, weekends, whatever. So you can take advantage of them, but they are also very risky. Exness does not have that. And when we come to options, trading options, Exness, when we come to real markets, Exness has a lot of them. I've seen a lot of markets. You see, even stocks, they have them, but Deriv does not have that. So that is a very big difference. So, and another difference is that Deriv, when you try to deposit, has a P2P, person to person trading, which means that you can send money to someone and get your account funded right away, or that the amount you are purchasing released into your account. Exness does not have that, so that is a difference when you are choosing between those two websites. So thanks for watching. I'll drop another video. See you in the next video. Subscribe and like.